are here representing CRDI, the Photographic and Audiovisual Archive of the Municipality of Girona. At this moment, we are in front of some of the remains of the medieval walls of the city. Just behind us, there is one of the bastions, and the wall was built in the direction of this street here. And you probably wonder why an archive is involved in a 3D and XR European project.
Well, archives are mainly spaces for preservation and custody, but also for discovery, for creation, for experimentation. And we will use 3D for a faithful representation of the walls, for analysis, research, and also entertainment.
And that's why, as a use case scenario, we are developing the virtual visualization of the medieval walls of our city. And the starting point are the records held by the archive: engravings, photographs, videos, maps, and other kind of documents.
After the research in these documents, we are working on the visualization of 3D, and our partner in the project, SwingIt, are developing a 3D modeling software in order to reconstruct heritage sites using AI technology, using digital photographs, and also archival records. Our goal is to achieve a high-quality representation of the walls, make the content accessible, and preserve the 3D models of the medieval walls of the city of Girona.
Bibracte, située sur le mont Beuvray, était une ville gauloise du 1er siècle avant notre ère. Si nombre d'objets sont exposés au musée, peu de vestiges bâtis sont visibles sur le terrain, car beaucoup de constructions étaient en bois. Derrière moi, les archéologues ont découvert les traces d'alignement de trous de poteaux qui témoignent de l'existence d'un édifice public monumental entièrement en bois. Mais ces trous de poteaux, qui dessinent le plan du bâtiment, ont été remblayés après la fouille. Ils ne sont plus visibles. Grâce à EUreka3D XR, il sera possible de donner à voir ces vestiges en réalité augmentée sur le site. Les fouilles ont aussi livré des dépotoirs d'amphores. Elles ont été prélevées, puis les fosses comblées, et bientôt, ce modèle 3D pourra être visualisé in situ. Ces points d'intérêt, et bien d'autres, seront intégrés dans une visite géolocalisée et interactive qui superpose modèle 3D et environnement réel pour dévoiler la face cachée de Bibracte.
Hello. We're often asked the question of what's the difference between a building and a monument? And the answer to that is in debate, but we believe that the difference between the two is that a monument has memory. The people who lived there, the people who worked there, the people who died there. One of the things which we're trying to do through our case study here at St. Neophytus' monastery is to look at the place where the saint lived, taught, wrote, died, and was buried. Like many places of interest, of cultural heritage, those memories are locked away, much like locked doors. We aim to unlock those through using digital technologies. But who should be telling those memories? Who should be recounting those stories? Behind these doors is one of the gems of Cyprus. 3 caves full of frescoes which tell the story of the saint's life and his work. Wouldn't it be interesting if the person who told that story was St. Neophytus himself? If he could literally step from the wall and interact with you. You could ask him questions. He could tell you about his life and times. And more importantly, act as a bridge to the past to give you an insight into what life was here during his time. But perhaps also a bridge to the future. This site is of interest because it is a monument at risk. Climate change, over-tourism, the way that the site is being used and reused in the past all have an effect. We are taking those digital resources and examining them to bring a deeper understanding, to see how cultural heritage can still be relevant, not only in the past, but going forward into the future.